Hello, my name is Hannah Blake and I'm a student at Broadway Family Karate. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the lead leg front snap kick. So we do these kicks from an L stance where your front foot faces forward and your back foot faces out. So it's not too much different from a normal front snap kick. You come up, you snap out, come back in, and back down. These don't generate as much power as a back leg kick would, but it helps with distancing if your partner is closer or farther away to do a lead leg front snap kick instead. So you'll just come up, snap down, and back in. And from the other side. And now with a partner. So the distancing on these can be challenging. So you'll just do a touch and push, making sure you're retracting at the end. And then with a little bit more power. And now from the other side, we'll start with just a touch and push, making sure we're pulling our toes back. And then with a little bit more power. Today we reviewed the lead leg front snap kick from a back stance. Thank you.